Listen to this every day and notice how your life starts to change as unexpected money suddenly starts coming into your life. So sit up or lie down and then close your eyes. Take a deep breath all the way down into your stomach and then release stress and worries as you breathe out. Breathing in positive energy and breathing out negative, destructive energies. Inhaling deeply and exhaling fully. Continue to breathe calmly and deeply, breathing in peace and breathing out stress. Just relax and enjoy this moment of transformation. Now imagine that you go to your kitchen to get some water. You turn on the water tap, but instead of water, money starts pouring out. Your entire sink is filling up with money. Coins and bills are coming out of the faucet, and there is no stopping the abundant flow of prosperity that is coming to you. You simply watch as money keeps coming out of the tap. You grab a pile of money from the sink and feel the money in your hands. This is absolutely amazing. You feel so blessed. The universe is sending you massive amounts of money, and you know you will always have more than enough money now. You are now financially free, and you get a sudden feeling of peace inside of you, as all of your stress and worry have completely disappeared. What a beautiful moment. And you feel so fortunate. You are rich and you are abundant. This is beyond amazing. You keep the water tap turned on, and money just keeps coming. This is a miracle. You will never again live in lack and scarcity, as you have now found your limitless source of wealth and prosperity. And your life will forever be blessed and abundant. So you simply take in this moment. You take in this feeling of pure gratitude. Now listen to these powerful money affirmations and let the words completely shift your mindset so that you become a magnet to wealth and prosperity. I am manifesting wealth and abundance. I am manifesting wealth and abundance. I have more than enough money. I have more than enough money. I receive unexpected money every single day. I receive unexpected money every single day. I am a magnet to money. I am a magnet to money. I have turned on the abundant faucet of wealth. I have turned on the abundant faucet of wealth. And I know the universe has an unlimited supply of money. And I know the universe has an unlimited supply of money. So I know I will never run out of money. So I know I will never run out of money. 'Cause I live in balance with the universe. 'Cause I live in balance with the universe. Abundance is part of my present and my future. Abundance is part of my present and my future. I am rich and I only get richer. I am rich and I only get richer. I constantly find new ways to make money. I constantly find new ways to make money. I make money easily and fast. I make money easily and fast. This is my reality. This is my reality. Being rich is my reality. Being rich is my reality. I decide how my life is going to be. I decide how my life is going to be. And I decide it's going to be abundant. And I decide it's going to be abundant. Prosperity is coming into my life. Prosperity is coming into my life. Money is coming from all directions. Money is coming from all directions. My wealth is overflowing. My wealth is overflowing. Money finds me no matter where I am. Money finds me no matter where I am. I expect great things to come my way. I expect great things to come my way. I expect to make large sums of money. I expect to make large sums of money. I have a rich mindset. I have a rich mindset. And I have a mindset of abundance. And I have a mindset of abundance. This is my time of overflow. This is my time of overflow. This is a new chapter in my life. This is a new chapter in my life. Today is a new beginning. Today is a new beginning. 'Cause today I am rich. 'Cause today I am rich. I keep my inner environment healthy and positive. I keep my inner environment healthy and positive. I only allow thoughts of prosperity to enter. I only allow thoughts of prosperity to enter. I let go of old beliefs. I let go of old beliefs. And I adopt a mindset of faith. And I adopt a mindset of faith. So I choose to be rich. So I choose to be rich. I choose to be wealthy. I choose to be wealthy. I choose to be abundant. I choose to be abundant. And I choose to be happy. And I choose to be happy. I truly and deeply love my life. I truly and deeply love my life. I feel so grateful for all that I have. I feel so grateful for all that I have. I choose to cherish each and every day. I choose to cherish each and every day. 'Cause life is truly a gift. 'Cause life is truly a gift. Now take a deep breath. And then slowly and gently open your eyes. Now continue your day, knowing your mind holds the key to your future. And by choosing to focus on abundance and prosperity, you attract abundance and prosperity by the law of attraction. But to make your manifestation process even more powerful, taking you through 3 very important steps for manifesting money into your life, watch this next video and prepare yourself for abundance and wealth